PILUPU viewers. I'm very thankful to PILUPU TV for giving me an opportunity to reach out to many people through their PILUPU channel. My intention as a pediatrician, general, developmental and behavioral is to reach out to many parents who may not have been informed about the adverse effects that affect the children through community experiences, through family experiences, through media experiences, and through their proximal environment that may cause many behavioral problems, learning disorders, ADHD, autism spectrum disorders, and we try to say everything is genetic, including the food we take, to our behaviors and our adult disorders like hypertension, cardiac problems, asthma uncontrolled leading to COPD, have their roots in the primary wiring system, which is called as neuroplasticity, 90% of which happens 0 to 3 years of age. Neuroplasticity is a term that is coined to express wiring of inside the brain that creates a hidden mind that leads to a certain behavior in the first 1,000 days through the experiences that they live. We have 5 senses to become an individual who recognizes themselves as very important part of the creation, use this human body to help themselves, help the family, help the community, and be happy wherever they are working rather than try to seek happiness from outside their body. This adaptation has its roots in the primary wiring, which is a permanent wiring in the brain that happens in the first 1,000 days. Why then we see so much of divorce, depression, anxiety, neuropsychiatric disorders, learning disabilities, pressures, and why are we not a happy community? Why are kids taking guns and shooting in the schools? Why are they committing suicide when they can make choices that are better? Let me explain to you, in the first few days of life, infant is adjusting to live outside the mother's womb. But they came with 100 billion nerve cells. They're like stars floating in the galaxy.
Oak Tree Dental Points, located at 2 convenient locations in Ashburn and McLean. Walk-ins welcome. Visit us. Oak Tree Dental Points, Kids and Adults Family Dentistry.
They connect with each other through the sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell. If any one of these are perceived by the newborn as very threatening, or when there is no reciprocity, emotional tag, and comfort that can only be provided by the person taking care of them, rather than depend on showing a TV or an iPad or an iPhone to teach them alphabets, maths, or any rhymes. That is causing some other problems. We have so much of knowledge on the adverse childhood experiences. An example that is not directly related to every member who is viewing. We love our children. There is no parent on earth who does not want to give best life for their child. We love our children, but we make our choices already. We make our choices to adapt to what we think we want to do. Although in spite of loving children, I have seen problems when they are left with a caretaker who probably not is very well educated and cannot interact with them with the love, reciprocity and bonding that a primary caretaker can offer. And they are viewing 4 hours of television a day to teach them alphabets, or teach them nursery rhymes, or to make them educable. This had led to overproduction of mini columns which are just connecting with the world and has caused profuse mini column production without axons that are produced only if there is a reasonable, meaningful stimulation.